Hi everybody, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to do two videos in one. I'm going to show you my kit, which I have listed on my Etsy store as well as my Ko-fi store. I'll have the links below the video so that you can go and check it out. This is called my Beautiful Blooms kit, and it is you'll get the JPEG version on my Etsy store, and then on my Ko-fi store you are going to get the JPEG as well as the PDF version on it. Okay, so that's the one part of the video. The second part of the video is the Friday freebie part. And when I get to the Friday freebie part, I'll talk to you about it. But for now, I just want to let you know that the Friday freebie is designed to go with this kit as well. Okay, so this is the kit. It's printed on A4. Some of the pages, except the ephemera pages, are printed on normal ATGSM paper over here. I decorate a lot, so ATGSM is good enough for me. Otherwise my journals are going to get too bulky. And I've got 29 pages here, if I'm not mistaken. I've got 10 main pages, I've got 9 background pages, and 10 ephemera pages. Okay, so the kit is a large kit as I normally make. And yeah, let's go through it. So you're going to find, I tried to mute the colors as much as possible, but you'll find that I've got muted, and I've got some vibrant colors as well. Wanted to keep it just to wildflowers, but I didn't find suitable. Look at me putting my clothes right. Didn't find suitable images to just keep it to one for now. I was looking for specific images. Okay, so there's the first page over here, and it's got lovely backgrounds. I'm very excited about this kit. In fact, I'm going to start my journal next week with this kit. Okay, so that's the first page. The second page is just as gorgeous as the first page. I'm sorry about the lighting over here. I don't know, it seems like now that it's winter it gets darker quicker, so the normal time that I film is getting darker quicker. So that's the second page. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, and that's the third page. So this is where I broke the muted and neutral backgrounds and I went crazy. My third page. And here as well, even more crazy, page number 4, but I'm just loving it. I'm really loving it. Okay, and then page number 5. Oh, gorgeous 5. Page number 6. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one is my favorite page, to be honest. Yeah, and then 7. So they are different. Page number 2 and 7, they are different. Okay, in the kit. And then page number 8. Okay, so those are my 8 pages, and then the 9th one is the lined one. I do line pages because many people ask me for line pages, so that's number 9. And I'm just putting it onto one side here, and that's number 10. So I have printed with a inkjet printer, and obviously if you print with laser, it is the colors are going to be much more brighter. So this is the first background page over here. Okay, page 1. Ooh, page 2. This is delicious. 3. That's page 4 and 5. 6. 7. 8. And there's the 9th one. Okay, all right, so those are the 9 background pages, and they are so amazing that you can use them across so many journals. Okay, so you know, if you buy this kit, it doesn't mean to say you can only use it across this journal, because I've kept those background pages quite versatile. Okay, so here's the 10 ephemera pages, 2 pockets, beautiful pockets, 2 different kinds of pockets. Okay, then a postcard here, some tickets over here, some nice big circles here with you know, that you can use as tuck spots. You can use them for paper clips, some whale tail tabs over here. This one here, my pockets, my famous pockets that I like to make. So 2 centered and 2 side pockets. Always a big kit from me. Nice large tags. I like the large tags. So there's 3 large tags over there. If you want them smaller, just print them 2 to a page. Okay, and you'll see more large tabs now. Some nice journal cards that I've made over here. Okay, and another envelope over here, and some nice big labels that you can, you know, collage on. That would be awesome to collage on them. Okay, more tags over here. Okay, all right, these ones, that flower envelope, like the petal style envelope there, your bingo card, little larger tickets on this one, and the clocks over here, and another envelope. I love my envelopes, ladies. Nice big belly band or a side tuck over there. More of those big tickets over here, and then some of my famous labels over there, file folder, and tags over here as well. So what you will notice is that I've got large ephemera. I love making large ephemera. I like my entire page to be covered. So, you know, it takes away from having to take out the blank spaces or fill up the blank spaces on a page. The other reason why I do big ephemera is because you can always shrink them down. Okay, because they are available in JPEG, so you can shrink my ephemera down however you wish to. Like, for example, I've got 3 sets of different, you know, 2 pages of 3 tags each that are different. So you can put those 2 pages in, you know, and print it as 1 page. So you can shrink them down, but to enlarge them is the problem. So that's what I do. I give you the bigger option so that you you know, you don't lose the pixels if you want to, and get a grainy picture if you want to make them bigger, whereas you can always make them smaller. Okay, so that is the kit, and I am so loving it. This is going to be, I'm going to start this kit next week. Okay, so you're going to see me doing some work on this kit from next week, and then my birds. I'm really wanting to do my birds one, but this is so yummy, I could not do it. Okay, so that's it from me. Have an awesome week ahead. It is Friday. I'm signing off for the weekend, but I'll have my Friday freebie. And then I just want to thank each and every one of you that has already bought this kit. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and the rest of the sales as well. I'm tracking my sales in. I'm looking at that blue and yellow bonanza kit flying through the shelves. Well, not literally, but yes. So thank you so very much for all my all the sales. I really appreciate it. Helps me a lot. Okay, so that's that. Done. Over.